It's much easier to see how it's gonna look on a wall and a sample this big compared to a sample this big. I wanted to use the high gloss on the walls, and the store finish sample is always flat. You could see that it has some sheen to it. It has a little more life, but you could also see from this wall to where we can remove it, bring it over here, and how it changes completely. It definitely gets more moodier and darker, but it still looks beautiful. It's super easy to create your own big samples just using some foam core, some paint, and double stick tape. All you have to do is I get a little roller like this, put my paint color in. Here, I've already painted my walls this color, so that's why I have a big gallon, but I would buy just like the little teenier ones or tester samples. And just use one of your little rollers like this, and you just paint your foam core. Just like when you're painting a real wall, it takes 2 coats, so make sure that you let the first coat dry and then apply another coat before you hang the paint sample up on your wall. I also like using the larger samples instead of painting the sample directly on the wall. So you just paint it on the foam core, stick it on your wall, easily removed. When you figure out the color that you want, you just have to paint the wall without having to go back and do other prep because of your sampling.